Over the last 5 videos, we've trained to build characters using words. We've described their age, their jackets, their wrinkles, and how they walk. But what if you don't want to write a paragraph to describe a face? What if you already generated the perfect image in an image model and you just want that exact person to move? Welcome back to the director's chair. And congratulations on reaching the end of Module 2. Today, I'm giving you the ultimate cheat code, Veo3's reference image feature. We are going to turn your still photos into a living cinema. Up until now, we've been using text to video, but Veo3 is fully multimodal, meaning it can do image to video as well. When you upload a reference image into Veo3, it fundamentally changes how the S.E.A.S formula works. The uploaded image permanently locks in your subject and your style. You no longer need to describe the color of the hair or the type of camera lens used. The AI pulls all of that data directly from the pixels you uploaded. Your text prompt now has a much simpler job. You only need to command the action and the environment. But here is the golden rule. Do not contradict your image. If you upload a picture of a woman sitting in a cafe, don't type a woman running through a desert.
One moment, life is calm. The next, it's a race.
The AI will tear itself apart trying to obey both the image and the text. You have to animate from the starting point of the photo. Let's look at a scenario where text just isn't enough. High fashion. Imagine you are directing a digital runway show. Your subject is wearing a highly specific avant-garde dress made of geometric mirrors and pink silk. If you try to describe that with text, Veo3 will guess the pattern, and as the model walks, the mirrors will morph and change shape. The consistency breaks. Now, let's use a reference image. We upload the perfect concept art. Because the image handles the subject and the style, our prompt becomes incredibly simple. The model slowly walks forward down the runway, wind gently blowing the pink silk, slow camera pushing. That's it. Veo3 takes the exact face, the exact lighting, and the exact intricate dress from your image, and calculates the next 5 seconds of physics. It's the most powerful way to maintain absolute consistency across multiple shots. Here is your final exercise for Module 2. Step 1. Find a high-quality AI-generated image you love. It could be a portrait, a car, or a landscape. Make sure it's 16:9 or 9:16 to match your video goals. Step 2. Upload it into Veo3 using the image icon. Step 3. Write a short text prompt that complements the image. If it's a portrait, prompt for a microexpression. For example, the subject slowly blinks and turns their head to the right. If it's a car, prompt for an environment dynamics. Rain begins to fall heavily on the windshield, headlights flicker on. Generate it. Watch your still image breathe. And with that, you have officially mastered the subject. You can cast them, direct their emotions, manage their physics, and bring your own images to life. But a great subject is nothing without a great cinematographer. Starting on the next episode, we enter Module 3, Directing the Camera. We are going to learn shot sizes, drone movements, and how to physically move the viewer through your world. See you in the director's chair.